What is up, guys? I'm just Vader here today. Well, Ghost Face. And I'm gonna be playing GTA 5. And we're trying to get some more people here to do like me. So. Huh? No modern. No. No. Alright, so we're gonna get mods. Maybe on golden modern. Wait, hey, what? What? No, don't shoot. Alright. That's good. So, what are we gonna do first? So, alright. Let's roll. Where are we gonna go? I don't know. Well, we're gonna go somewhere. Come on, take your time. Come on. Alright. Here comes one. We know. We're just gonna cruise around for now. What's up? I want everybody in front of me. Let's go up to, Los Santos, well, Trevor's Airport. Meet at the Los Angeles. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna go to Los Angeles. Oh, okay. We lost one. One is down. Really, you're not gonna wait for me? Another is down. No. 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 You put that one. What? I was turning around. Maybe I'm turning around. Yeah, I need to go there. So I can turn my light. Wait, who's talking? Felipe. Huh? Who's crashing? What's your fault? Someone took Patrick. And he's on the bike. I'm gonna try to get this graphics better. Huh? Really? Hold on, guys. I'm gonna try to get this better. Please tell me that would work. Alright, so I just got my screen better. Holy crap, Felipe's got the rocket launcher. You say rocket launcher. Let's watch the fireworks. No, never mind. We're going. Not yet. Alright, so today somebody just ran over somebody. Alright.
Okay.
Y'all want to go up to Trevor's airport?
Maybe on. Do it.
Alright. Why are you on my bike?
I can't get on your mind.
Super Friend wants to go to the impound lot first.
Where are we going?
Super Friend needs to go to the impound lot first to get his car. Alright, Super Friend, let's go.
Let's go to Trevor's airport.
No, not yet, not yet. We gotta go to the impound lot first. Follow me.
Six of us need to go to it.
I wonder what kind of car he has.
Oh shit, I lit up. Oh,
It's not Patrick. We'll do it later.
we are so far behind.
Wait, where'd they go? Are they still coming? Oh, I didn't see anybody on my map. Super Friend, it says it's kind of ugly. Oh god. Which one is it?
Red light is it?
Oh, he got that Mini Cooper.
Yeah, let's go. I got cops on me.
Oh my god. Kiloheart got cops on him. And now you can't get out. Call them off. Get on your bike and call them off. Oh my god! I hit a pole. Huh? Well, hurry up, hurry up. Alright, we're gonna wait for Super Friend and Kiloheart to come on. Because Kiloheart hit something and he has to get the cops on something.
All I need is winning.
Alright. Oh god! I am a very sucky driver. And plus I was trying to put the weight.
I hit a guy too. We all died.
Alright, so are we going up to Trevor's airport?
Maybe I'm the only one that didn't crash. Good job, dude.
Don't shoot! Who's shooting? Somebody is shooting.
The dude in the blue motorcycle.
Oh my god.
You're lagging so much.
I don't think this is... Oh...
Why are you shooting?
I don't know. I think we need to go now.
This is where you shot
Time to go! Oh wait, we gotta go down. I think this is like the worst biker gang possible ever.
Oh my god! We need to wait for Davion. Super Friend shot him.
Hey Felipe, do you have cups on you?
Yeah,
Oh. Xavion, get.
I just cut him off.
Hey, there's somebody going after. Well,
Davion, come on. I got one guy covered gone.
he's on the highway.
Other road, Davion. Wrong road.
Hey, Buddy Gorman, do you have a motorcycle? Alright, hold on. Alright, come on. Oh crap, somebody behind us!
Oh my god.
Shoot him! Shoot him! Go after him! He's up there. You know what? Forget about it. Let's go. Trevor's Airport. Why do you keep hitting me? Gosh! Let's go. Does everybody have a waypoint on his face? Hey, Xavion, Super Friend said it was an accident. Fuck! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Did you hit something?
I hit a fucking person. He fucking hit me off. Bite.
Oh my god. My laptop wasn't even turned on. Crap. No!
I said it was going.
Yep, it's still gone.
Where is it? Right here?
Yeah. No!
My friend was calling. Never mind, he got out of the phone.
Wait, where is he?
He's next to me. Like, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Keep freaking hitting stuff. Y'all are all the way up there. Back here. Lava Java. Huh. Trying to catch up. I can't. Gosh. Yeah, after I edit this video, it should look kind of good because the first 4 minutes wasn't good.
When it's an all of them,
Huh? I'm only sending the 2 that are riding with us.
they're not fighting me.
Huh?
They're not fighting me.
Just be quiet. Hey, Davion and Felipe, y'all want to do my heist in a little bit? Well, still the setup. Y'all want to do my setups soon? For the heist, the prison break? We should tell everybody to come up here and try to kill us. all freaking customers. Boom! There.
I got mine done for home.
Huh?
I got mine.
So, Xavion and Felipe, do y'all want to do the setup soon for the prison break? Like, if we do it all together and finish the heist, we get $10 million because we completed, I think, if we don't die.
I'm gonna call you and think about
$10 billion?
But that's only for, like, the elite challenges. He ran away. Yo, really? He gets a free shot. Really? Kill a horse. Well, Tubby, really? Don't shoot anybody. You don't get to kill anybody else. You turn on passive mode. Why? Because you just killed us. We're supposed to be a biker gang, and biker gang members don't kill each other. What happened?
Your friend Dora was gonna say, what are you talking about? The country.
Oh.
Did you,
Whoop.
you wanted to do heist or something?
Yeah, we'll do that in a little bit.
I'll have a look.
Because it's only going to be me, you, Xavion, and Kiloheart. Don't kill
You and Jimmy
him!
all don't know exactly what you want to do. You already
they're like pretty easy, but when we get to the higher ones, huh? I'm in the airplane.
Already.
Getting out.
Unless you want to do the bank robbery one.
No, I don't have that one yet. I still have the prison break. So, do y'all want to ride to my, don't kill them! Don't! Oh my god. Because you killed everybody else! Alright, so I'm gonna get into my heist now, and I'll invite y'all.
I don't really want to do them. Xavion, you want to do a heist?
Xavion, you wanna do a heist?
Xavion doesn't want to do a heist.
Alright, that's fine. He said follow him, so probably get your bike. Oh my god!
That was funny, your bike broke in front of me.
Yeah.
Asshole! And then we get hit by a car because...
No!
Dude, I was
No.
standing in the road, he had a car that hit me.
Where did you go?
We're up on that road. Davion, where are we going?
Don't question him.
Oh God. Hey,
I'll show you.
do you want me to get that Guardian and then we can put the bikes in the back?
You want to go up, I'll show you.
Oh.
Hey!
Go to the
Ah!
I'm laying here.
No! No!
No, oh shit, bro, you ordered it. You ordered it, plane.
Oh, sorry. What the crap? I'm coming! Wait for 2 more people!
That one millionaire.
Hold on, wait, Davion. What happened?
What happened?
I don't know. Super Friend killed everybody. He did it.
I was in first person, I don't even know what happened.
Super Friend kill everybody. I'm not.
He fell through the map.
Doing that.
I got him. Hey, I'll call mine. Perfect idea. We can get my insurgent pickup, and then we can go kill everybody.
Hello,
Somebody called a mugger on somebody.
How can I
think.
help?
Not for sure. Air Force.
Call again.
Air
Goodbye.
Force.
Please call back soon. We will speak to you soon.
And tell me you're not flying. I know how to fly. You just got hit.
I'm starting while bleeding.
Okay. I'll come in. Wait for Felipe! Hurry! Oh! Wait, what? Is everybody in here? You sure?
Filippo died.
Oh no, he's in here! Yeah, we in here!
What if we got everybody?
I don't even know where we're going.
Yeah, I'm gonna die, okay? I'm just getting that clear.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Okay. I put on my list. I have a 5-year-old.
Oh,
Anybody listening? How are you? How are you? Yeah? Papa? You want to? Come on.
Where are we going?
Yeah. I'm landing a plane, but
I don't know. He was in the mountains for me. I'm gonna accept maybe on friendly card. I'm still doing this video, so.
alright.
Why did you get out? Oh God.
Yeah.
What? Oh my God!
Not always.
Oh my God! I got ran over. Oh my God.
I remember this freaking phone. We're gonna break it in here and we'll move it.
Bubby, don't get in it.
I can't get your ride over there right now.
What is 18? Oh my God. Oh my.
Why did you shoot him?
You told me earlier. How are you standing there and fuck you with a fucking shotgun?
You're gonna have to do it out for now. I can't get over there.
Hey, we all good? You just lost your car there. I was getting revenge. That guy like shot me in the head when I was just standing. No, it's money.
Please don't kill me.
That ain't gonna work. I can't.
Get out, get out.
Set up. I need to go get a car. I'm going to get a car. Why are you shooting people?
Oh no.
He just shot somebody on the street and then like
That is fine.
got cops on him.
Are we all good?
Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna go get a car. So.
I'm gonna fly a plane. Let's go fly the black plane. You know what's gonna fly a plane?
What are you doing?
I need to go get my car. Alright! I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, we're still streaming, so we're good. Yes. You bring me. Alright.
I'm on the clock. What you want? Some wheels?
What do I have? What do I have? Nothing there.
Maybe get on the door, like stand right here, stand on it, on the door right there, and then I'm gonna get in it, like when I get in it.
I'll bring it to you. I'll get back to it then.
That's nice. Ah, my eye burns. Ah! I can't see.
Oh my god, he's killing me.
That's your fault for killing everybody at the airport.
Oh,
Yay! Look at these awesome flying skills. Oh my god, the cargo bomb can't pick up an insurgent! I just learned
going
that.
back, quickly. Open it, going back.
Pick it up! Pick it up! Pick it up! You can do it! Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. See? I'm dead.
Ow! Oh, dude.
So, I have just learned that you cannot pick up an insurgent with a cargo box.
Oh my god. I said apologize, you fucker. You apologize, I'm gonna keep going.
You killed Davion.
Where you kill Davey on the wall, you fucker? The black was taken off. Okay.
No. You're not killing him. Hi.
Hey, girl. I respect her.
Why?
I was just screwing around.
Oh
I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
Oh my god, I have cops on me now. Get in!
Come on, get it up!
Toby, you gotta get in.
kill him. Go, slam his car.
Get in. Don't shoot him.
Wait. Le'Veon killed him! Le'Veon killed him! You thought I killed him. I was
Well, if you keep on killing my little brother, you just need to get out of my lobby.
That's the little brother.
Yeah.
Okay, go over to him. Tell him to stop fucking killing me. Stop walking the light.
No, he only shot you once. He shot you once, and you've been killing him constantly, over and over again. So you just need to, like,
Yeah, because he never apologized.
that's your fault for doing it. You get the deal?
Well, he was being an asshole. No, this doesn't.
No, you are, because you just kept killing everybody. So it's pretty much your fault. So pretty much, really sucks. It's okay, Davion. It's just like he keeps killing every single one of them.
Oh, dude, you want to know what's really good?
Oh my god! So I'm gonna end the video here. Holy crap, that freaking sucks. I'm gonna end the video here, so bye guys, subscribe and like the video.